Now, Navi, it's not easy, I know, to start off a circus. First of all, how did the idea come about?
The idea for the circus came about, I think, purely as a matter of circumstance. We have always been, I think, as a company like Vo, it's always been our ethos to make new things. I think at every step of our journey, there's always been a moment where we felt like we have to look at what's the new, fresh thing, what's the latest idea, what's the next thing that we can push. And it just so happened that we already had this circus tent, and we also had some Cuban friends who joined us in 2023. So the ideas sort of aligned themselves for us. It just, in casual conversation with them, they mentioned that they would be willing to teach our artists some circus skills. At that time, there was no sort of, no one had set their hearts on making a circus show. It was just, oh, it'd be cool to expand our skills a little bit and train our artists to do, some things from a different discipline as opposed to just dancing. It was when that training started that we realized that it just would, with our circus tent and this new skill, it would be remiss of us to not just make a circus show. And that being our new artistic evolution, the next thing that we push ourselves into in terms of what we do as artists. So that's kind of how it began, and then it snowballed from there. They went into full-blown training, and we birthed the circus from the things we already know how to do in dance and storytelling with these new skills of circus.